Hello friends, today I am going to start a new series where I am going to try to guide you on the Excel, the various aspects, the formulation, how the formula is to be framed, the various features, various uh, options that are available in the menu bars, and how we have to discuss. These are the elementary things which we will discuss on the Excel aspect. So as on your screen you are visible with a Excel sheet. Now on the top of this screen you have seen the file, home, insert, formula, date, review and view. So this is what and menu. It's a pop-up menu. When you have to click on any of these option, the pop-up menu comes out with the various buttons that comes on the screen. So I have clicked on the insert, then insert option give out this one. The page layout, then these options are there. Formulas, then this one, data and so on. By default it's on home, and in home option these options are there out. Then normally that we are used in Word also, cut, copy, paste. So these are the same as we are used in the Word. Then for formatting of the text, then there is font type, font size, change the font size, increase or reduce by this A option. So if you have to type anything over there and you want to increase the size of that one, you can increase by clicking on this, and if you want to reduce, by this. B stands for bold. If you want to make it bold, then it is much more darker. Italics, slightly right side shifted. Underline, there is an underline. If you want to make a box, different types of box and with their borders and objects are available. So if you want to make a particular type of border over their text, you can make it easily with the help of this one. Then there is a filling of this. Whatever you have made, if you want to fill up with a specific color, then this is the filling option. Whatever your text is to be there, as if you want to write that text in a particular color, so you can select the color aspect over there. Whatever the color you are going to select, it is going to make it in this way. Now the next box comes with a alignment aspect, in which this is left align. The text is aligned leftly. I am going to increase the size of the cell, then you will see the effect of that one. Now it is centralize. Now it is right side. Okay, so that is what side, left, center and right. Now when we talk about the indent, we will do that one with the help of some other examples, the rest part of this one. Now the next thing is, somewhere you want to make your text in such a manner that the two cells are combined together. So that is called as merge. Merge these two cells and your text should be in center. Merge and center. So that is. So similar way over here, if I want to do this, these two cells और इनको मैं merge करना चाहता हूँ और मेरा text इसके center में आए, then what I have to do, merge and center. So ये दोनों cell merge हो गए, बड़े हो गए और अब ये center में आ गया text. That is called as merge and center text. So this we have discussed slight of the features of the Excel. For the next features, keep on watching and continue on the Excel series. Thank you everyone.